here. Just look at how huge this kitchen is. So much space. I love the monochrome theme going on from the cabinets to the walls to the sockets. Can you see that? I love the space. I love the lighting. The windows are so huge. There are 2 windows this side and the other side. This is a dream. And there is an inbuilt burner hopper where you can do all your cooking, and so much space. Look at the cabinets. Like, this is huge, guys. I don't know if you can see from the camera, but hii kitchen ni kubwa. And there is so much space. And again, modern taps. There is the water. Water is there. What they've done with the gypsum, lighting in a cartoon daylight, plus the windows, that's so much light. Look at the taps, the modern taps. Alisema ekewe CCTV pale, taki mumpoison mkimpikia hapa. Anataka kukuwa able to see whatever is going on in the kitchen. The space is so much. I think you can be able to put a dining set there because alikuwa anataka this space blocked. See, from the entrance. So hapa anaweza eka dining set yake, akwe able to enjoy a meal with such a beautiful view outside. I love this kitchen. It's one of my favorite parts about this house. Look at this pantry. Ona. This pantry is huge. So much space. I love that the colors remain monochrome. Here, of course, it's a talk hapa, but this is so much space for all your shopping. I mean,